Hello kids. Today we are going to discuss exercises of second chapter of Unit 1, Class 4th English. The name of this chapter is Neha's Alarm Clock. Let's start the exercises. The first question is take the correct answer. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? At 6 o'clock. What did the bird say? Wake up. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock. Then the next question is put the letter in the right order. First one is done. Then the second will be alarm. Then the third is clock. CLOCK. Then the fourth one is morning. This is snowed. SNORED. Then the last one is window. This part you have to do by yourself, by your experience. Then the next is word building. Find the hidden word. The first one, mother, is done. Second is birds. Birds are written here. Then third is clock. Here is the clock. And then alarm. Alarm is written here. Then happy. Happy is here. Then morning is the next one. Morning is at the last line. Then holiday. Here it is written holiday. Then hungry. Hungry is in the side. Then Sunday. Sunday is written here. And the first one mother is here. Then the next is who said these words to whom? The answer of the first one. Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. The answer is birds. Bird said to Neha. Then the next is Ma, who woke me today? Who said this to whom? Yes, you are right. Neha said this to her mother. Then the next is why do you sleep at 9 every night? Mother said to Neha. Then the second one is use the help box to fill in the blanks. Ram dash a good football player. Ram was. The answer for first one is was. And the second is the cows dash grazing the field. The answer will be were. The cows were grazing the field. The answer for C is also were. My toys were broken. Then her frock dash too long. The answer of this part is was. Her frock was too long. Then the E part is the market was closed. The answer for this is also was. Then the children dash happy. Answer for this is were. The flowers were kept in a vase. Then come to the last one. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. The first is, yesterday I lost my book. I looked it for everywhere. The answer of the first one is behind. And the answer for second. Let's do the second one. I looked dash a cupboard inside. Then I looked dash a bed under. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out Sheru. My dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Then next is fun time. Here is a word clock. Write down some words relating to clock. We'll start from here. Make a sentence. The sentence for clock is, we can make many sentences like, my clock is red in color. Then sound. It makes a tick tick sound, right? Then another word for it is, we also say this, watch. And a picture. We can draw a picture like this. Here is 9 and the 3. Then word in your language. We can write ghadi that we say in Hindi. Or if there is any other word which you say in your language, you can write it down. Then name different parts or times. 9 o'clock as an example. 12 o'clock also. Or 11 o'clock. We can write so many. Then next is, here is a word morning. Write down the words relating to it. Good morning, we say it in the morning, right? And what are the more? You can write it. Breakfast also, we do breakfast in the morning. Then bathing is also an activity which we do in the morning. And wake up, yes, in the morning. First we wake up. And an alarm also. And what should be the next? Yes, brushing. We also brush our teeth in the morning. The chapter is over now. Thank you for seeing this video till end. Please like, subscribe and share my videos to all your friends. Thank you. Stay safe.